न तुम हमें जानो, न हम तुम्हें जाने, न तुम हमें जानो, न हम तुम्हें जाने, मगर लगता है कुछ ऐसा मेरा हमदम मिल गया, न तुम हमें जानो.
Are you?
Yes, I am very good. I can see you now. Yeah.
Welcome to INS.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Yeah.
So, first I would like to know what's the feedback that you're getting for your character of Jawahar?
It's very good. Yeah, the feedback is really good, and and people are going crazy behind the series, and I'm getting calls every morning. There are messages on Instagram, and also what really makes you happy is that a lot of your friends are also calling you up and saying that we are so proud of you, that you are part of this series, and uh, and yeah, this is the first time my father actually watched a show with me.
Okay,
Otherwise,
that's nice.
yeah, he's very aloof. He's really within he's within himself. He doesn't he doesn't like to see too much of television, but he saw my mom and me, we were seeing the first episode, and he happened to catch little snippets of the first episode, and it was so good. That's what he told me, that he actually sat through and watched it. So it's really a good time, and it's really making me happy. There's a lot of positivity around me at the moment. Yeah.
And Jawahar is such an intriguing character because there's a mystery element to it. He is funny. Tell me, what were the aspects of the character that brought you in into this show?
I think it was Ram Madhvani specifically who really
Hmm.
brought me into this. I mean, anyone would want to work with him, given the opportunity. No
Yeah.
one, no one wants to, no one would want to say no. And I would say, and through this interview, I would like to say that that any actor in the industry, if ever you get an opportunity to work with him and his team of people, just grab it, because he's a visionary, and he's such a vast human that way, and his process is so unique. It's a style of shooting which is the Ram Madhvani style of shooting in
Yeah.
um, in India now, in our industry. I don't think anyone has the vision to achieve what he achieves. So I think it was a lot to do with the fact that I'm going to be associated with Arya. I'm going to be associated with Hotstar in such a big way, and obviously the quality of the product, which was always going to be guaranteed with Ram Madhvani's presence. So,
Also,
so
you recently wrote on Twitter that it's the conversations between the shoots that you remember.
yeah.
And I want to know what are the conversations that you remember while shooting Arya?
Some of the conversations that really come back to me are between me and Chandrachud ji. We were he's a musician himself. He sings so beautifully. You have obviously seen it in the show. So there was a lot of discussion about music, and what we think about music, and how Indian classical music affects both of us. And he is a
Hmm.
huge fan of Amir Khan Sahab, and even I am such a huge fan of Amir Khan Sahab. There was Vedic astrology that really we bonded over. We talked about astrology for hours and hours, and the shooting suddenly became secondary, and we were just talking about, okay, Jupiter यहाँ पे है, Saturn यहाँ पे. We started talking about that. We were really bonding big time on that. Sikandar and me, we bonded about random stuff, like really random stuff. When we were in Rajasthan shooting, We were bonding about his experiences. Are He comes from a filmy background, so uh, so those experiences were really very different.
Stereotypical image that you have with Arya, and then you have Mafia. Tell me how important it is for you to break that mold that people, assuming, and then put you in a box kind of a thing.
Could you repeat that question again?
Like how important it is to, break that stereotypical image that people have about you.
It's very important for an actor, because otherwise, you people will get bored of you. People will keep seeing you in the same role, and they will say, "अरे यार, वो तो सारी same चीजें ही करता है,"
Hmm.
and that's why after a point of time, when you have done a certain amount of work in the industry, you need to challenge yourself. You need to choose roles which really go against your skin, and that's when people will look up to you and say, hey, that's not something which we saw Namit doing, and wow, he can do this, wow, he can do that. So you need to keep challenging yourself. It's very, very important. Otherwise, it's the same palette in which
Yeah.
you, and there is this there's an odd sort of oneness to it which settles in, but this uniqueness you need to create for yourself, and that's why these choices, and that's why I have wanted to challenge myself with Jawahar, or with Nitin in Mafia, or with Harish Khanna in Suitable Boy, you know and I'm so happy that all these three characters, which are going to be out very soon, of which Arya is you've already seen.
Hmm.
They're very different. They're really different from each other.
So let's first talk about Mafia because the trailer is really intriguing and it catches you. Tell me, how did it challenge you while you were making it?
The action sequences, I think, were really challenging. The fact that we were all away from home, from Bombay,
Hmm.
and being in North Bengal, that was another kind of a challenge, because these are places which you see, and these places exist for you on maps, right?
Yeah.
And you are in the middle of the forest, and after pack up, you're passing the jungle, and you see the elephants taking a shower. And when does that happen? When you are shooting in Bombay, it will not happen, right? So so those were the special things, and obviously working with such talented actors, Tanmay Dhanania, Anandita Bose, Ridhima Ghosh, uh, and Saurabh Saraswat, this brilliant actor. uh, I think working with all of them was fantastic, you know, and that's the beauty of an ensemble piece, that you need good actors in every frame. You
Hmm.
need performers, and there is so much sort of, there's so much going on in one scene, and Mafia especially, because
Yeah.
there's one room, and then people are coming in and out. There are things being disclosed, all of that. So the challenge is actually to keep up that pace
Hmm.
within actors. So that was very good, and my first time working in Bengal, with Birsa Das Gupta, the director,
Yeah.
and creators Rohan Ghosh and Orithra Sen. Really a young team, but very passionate.
And you're working for the second time with Meera Nair. And then, like, how is working with How did your bond evolve, like, since Monsoon Wedding to A Suitable Boy?
Meera Nair, my association with Meera Nair now is almost 4.5 years old. And it all started with Monsoon Wedding, the musical, and
Hmm.
she wanted me to come over to New York uh, for a workshop. And then that sort of, it became a friendship, it became an association. It I really look up to her now. She's someone I'm always asking for advice with in my career, life,
Hmm.
spiritually, all of that. And then Suitable Boy obviously came along my way, which is a beautiful project to be part of. And I'm so lucky to be part of such big projects
Yeah.
point of time. And at this point of time, when we are under a lockdown situation, and this is all the work that I have been doing for the last, say, 1 year, and now all of it is coming out at the same time. And the timing
Hmm.
couldn't have been better. But yes, there's so much to learn from Meera Nair. She's so senior. She's a legend, you know.
Yeah, true.
So, and she's really an energy that you take a positivity from. She's everything, really. She's really everything for me right now. Yeah.
And we all are waiting for her project because it's such a long time since she came out with a project of her own.
Yes, yes. This will also be, in a way, her television debut because she. I mean,
Yeah.
it's strange to say that, but she hasn't done television. But in England it will be television, but here I think it will release on a platform.
Hmm.
Uh, and I'm eagerly waiting for all of you all to see that and see me as Harish Khanna in Suitable Boy.
That's nice. And also, people have started going out and working, especially actors. Tell me, have you also started, planning to go out soon and, get on the set and start working, or you just want to take it slow and see how things go around?
I don't know. We've been talking, and I think we've talked a project for late August and first week of for late July and first
Hmm.
week of August. But all of it depends upon the permissions and also and what are the kind of precautions that we'll have to take now, while shooting. It all depends on that actually. So one day at a time, let's see. These are
Hmm.
things coming up, and let's see what we can do. And under the circumstances, and what precautions do we really need to take?
True.
I think we all need to get educated about that first. We
That's
have a
true.
basic idea of what we need, but it's really basic. When we go out there and when we start our work, only then would we know what does it truly entail.
That's true. And also, your Instagram handle is, full of positivity, especially the music that the small music pieces that you do. Tell me, how's music, what's the role of music in your life
Music is
and
like
importance of?
music is like blood for me. It I come from a family of musicians,
Hmm.
and if not acting, uh, I mean, I would have been doing music. But I'm still doing music, and
Yeah.
people say that, when do you find time to do it? Well, when I'm not acting, I'm doing music. When I'm not doing music, I'm acting. It's a bit like that. And thank God for Instagram. Thank God for YouTube. Thank God for other social media that exists out there now. You can just put it out there, and people know. Okay, Namit sings.
Yeah.
uh, if they see me doing Jawahar in Arya and they follow my work, they want to follow me on Twitter, they want to follow me on Instagram, they immediately know that, oh, this guy is also a singer, oh, he's also hosted shows, he's done so many things.
Hmm.
So yeah, so music is like it's that thing which is just going on, and it's something which is non-stop, which I'm learning constantly. uh, and since for the last 2 years I've been learning the piano as well, and I love the piano. I love the sound of that instrument. It's very healing. So yeah, so it's on. It's constantly on.
It was great talking to you, Namit. And thank you. Thank you for talking, Namit. Thank you.
Take care. Take care. Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.
Same to you. Bye.